Good morning, friends. So hope how are you are fine. So today this evening I am going to show the Lake Park of IIT Kharagpur. It is an important and famous park. So popular people here of all ages, irrespective of caste, creed, color, come here to spend their beautiful times. But now in this time, this spot is some devastated due to some climatic conditions like the Umphan cyclone. So let me enter inside. So you can see inside there is litter. It's your park. Please do not litter. The sky is beautiful. You can see the charming sky, the trees, the bountiful trees with green surrounded every times. The monuments which things as over times of the history. There are garbages also. Here it is written. But you can see some dust. There are leaves spreading all around. Here also is written food items not permitted inside. Please help them to clean. So go inside. Let's have a look. The start stretches about 0.5 square 0.5 square kilometer. You can see there are the bushes of greens, so people can enjoy their leisure times or have some luxury. If you go, there will be some cottages, like there are some lamps which glows at the time of night. So you see there is a road, and there is a director's bungalow from which all the important residential and complex buildings are there. So you can see the videos. This is also a huge tree, a old tree, very. The scenery is also well. The green is surrounded almost. The green grasses, the green soft grasses, you can't find anywhere except you visit here. And alas, you can see a beautiful spot, fantastic cottage. So this is I am going to show you how the cottage. No anywhere, but you will show you the cottage like this. Let's have a look. So we are inside the cottage. See the center of the cottage. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 supports are there to support this. This is so beautiful that looks like the imperial colonial style buildings. To clean the whole environment, there are buckets kept, food items not permitted inside it. There is also written. It is very beautiful for the nature lovers, for the young children, old age man, etc. It's a good place for the romantic ones. So you can come here. It takes not much time, about a 2 minutes walk from the IIT main building stage. Next, there are also other things which I am trying to show you. Some of the parts of the olden days, that kinds of rocks here also preserved. See how it is. You can see the beautiful lake, and people were spending their time. Already you know that time spending is very important in our life. So when you feel very bored, unhappy, you can take out some time and spend your time here. The IT students, this is made to make the people relieve from their heavy stress work. So you can come. I often come in this place and often enjoy. So this is the building. There is also this building. This is called Technology Cooperative House. This was again inaugurated and repaired building. So you can see, as you can see, I am showing you a little further. You can see that these are the buildings where once buildings were made, but now it is going under construction. So I am leaving out from this place. This pencil often marriage ceremonies and various occasions are held. So let me continue my previous work. You can see that the branch of the trees fall into water. It's looking very awesome. It's like the trees. I thought that I've been in the mangrove forest, Sundarbans, etc., or a typical botanical garden, but not nothing. It is simply a zoo. It is simply a garden created in the middle of the lake. It is called as lakeside. Hereby the people call it lakeside. People of during the pujas and any other ceremonies like the spring fest, etc., people come here, spend their time with friends. When I used to come, you should always come. Perhaps this is the IIT's most fantastic place, most romantic place in the IIT or in the city of Kharagpur. Secondly, this is going. Next, you can see the buildings. There are the pipes, etc., and other things, which will remind us that the civilization is not yet stopped. So, further, I'm going to show you some more things. You can see the forest. The ghas phool, which is called in Bengali. These are the kinds of flowers celebrated in the times of Durga Puja. You can see the branches where people used to gossip. You can see the beautiful trees, the headlights, and after that road there comes there is a stadium. It was known as Gango Stadium, but nowadays the guys call it as Gango. Whatever it may be, you can see there is a small land connected to, but inside it is a deep shallow water is there. The water has minimum depth of 10 to 15 meters. You can see earlier the Durga Puja ceremony in what is the used to held here. The water and other material was carried from here. So you can see just see the beautiful. Don't look at my words. You can see, just you come spend 2-3 hours and you enjoy what the sorrow, what the feelings what the pain you have will just get melted if you come here. See the beautiful birds chirping in the sky. So the sea is in a beautiful lake. I thought within IIT it is a relief for the students, because with the pressure of the IIT students it becomes hard for the students to toil his life. So with this he can relax. Often there is a IIT gymnasium where the student used to do exercises, but now it is locked. So these are nearby, so that one can both residents and get relief by sitting on the banks of the lake. And there is also a bridge connected between that island and this mainland. So I am going to show you. You can see the technology academic gymnasium. You can see gymnasium. The light electric current is also provided in the underside ways. The lake is also there. The bridge is also there. And see there is a small opening through which people can go. The roads also you can see. There is the road's end. But let me go. Let's go. The breeze is very smooth and gentle. So I don't know from where this breeze comes. It is often because of the northwest breeze that comes in. So a few days ago, Amphan come here and made the things devastating. But this lake is kept intact. Its beauty is not spared at all. It is awesome, and it was as it is. And you can see there lies the Technology Aquatic Swimming Club. People students of IIT and other steps, IIT steps can swim here. I also used to swim. So on one other day I will make some videos on swimming and other things. You can see the people, boys, girls, etc. chatting. They are playing, having romantic times with their friends. So you can see at least the water, the crystal clear like water. You can see it has no moisture at all. You can see after a long time. See, I am showing you in different directions. Awesome. Splendid. It's fantastic. Fabulous. See the trees. There are the beautiful corridors lying here. You can see the things. Do not throw any waste in the point is also written. There is a sitting place. You can see the lights, beautiful lights. It's an awesome place. So everybody, you must come here. At least people living nearby IIT or IIT Kharagpur should visit this place, as it should be recognized as one of the beautiful and romantic place of IIT. But I don't know why the authority is not taking its permission. But you can see I am showing you in such a way that nobody will show you. You can see the branches. Upside that there are some steps. Giving steps, you can enjoy the beauty as much more beautiful. So let me see. So you can see above rising the steps what I can see. See the beauty. See the beauty in so banana trees, banyan, etc. favorite trees. I don't know what the perfect name of the tree is, but these are the trees. You can see the banyan trees, etc. So let's look. Go inside. The tail lights are there, which glows light to the swimming pool. Etc. And you can see this garbage, etc. Beautiful place. One can roam, play. Children can play with footballs, etc. As I used to play. So just come one day. Why are you waiting for? I am with you. If you face any contract or in any other things, then contact me. I will try to solve your problems. So you can see the last thing. The entrance has a good veranda. That is the testing house. So let me show you. It is like when we read about the tortoises get their pets and the man used to see the rocks. After seeing the rocks, you can see like this. See the beauty, see the charm. Awesome it is. Various writing, and there are garbages. Beautiful. This greenery is this is full of greenery. Even nowhere chance is full of greenery. Everything is everything you can see there. Deforestation, everything. The trees are green up there. There is not green, but the IIT authority has maintained this green, administered and shown the world to save and conserve greenery. And greenery is the best thing to live, and nothing else more I am speaking. So I am ending my speech, and hope you like these videos. Like, share, and subscribe to it. Thank you.